Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Holiday Inn and Suites here in Fort Lauderdale, an IHG hotel. Now before I proceed, you already know this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. All right, let's get down to business. The front door, to my right, you have your little closet. I put two of my items here, my backpack and my garment bag. Furthermore, you have your little kitchen area here, sink, ice bucket, your microwave, and a mini fridge. That's a plus. Coffee maker, and just a little space area here. All right, to my other left, your bathroom, a nice size mirror, definitely a nice size mirror, soft closed bathroom door. Pays. What we have here, some tissue dispenser, hand wash, body lotion, a little nice sink, clean. I just wash my hands. I have that bad habit. Actually, it's a good habit. Always wash your hands whenever you enter a home, an apartment, or even a hotel, because your hands touch everything and you want to decrease the level of bacteria. You have your shower cap and your makeup remover for the ladies, and your plastic cups, your toilet rolls, and just in case for backup, dispenser. I don't know why they leave the toilet up like this, but okay. Where you hang your hang towels, ample towels, clean, as you can see, clean. Some hand towels and wash rags. See, this is what I'm talking about. A standalone shower. Standalone shower. I like that. Clean. Okay. A little nice handrail. Your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, and a spot where you could put your own personal items, and also another one here, and also another handrail here. It's clean, in my opinion. Okay, you have your hook on the bathroom door. And yep, let's move on. Or around the way, this is the bathroom door. You have a full-size mirror. Just a few steps, you have your lamp, some art decoration, a small table, a blue sofa. Oh, what's that? Got a little stain there, buddy. What is that? I won't be sitting on this sofa, that's for sure. The table, I don't think it's wiped properly, but that's just me. Small table in a single chair. What happened to the other one? Beyond me. And you have your garbage pail. All right. What do we have here? All right, the light turned on here. Okay, you see? Each hotel offers a different amenities, shall I say. Look at that. Iron and an ironing board and a closet dedicated for them. That's great. Move on. Another closet space. You have your safe right here. Nice size. Ample hangers. Nice space. Okay, nice area. You could put your whatever you want on there. Okay, soft clothes. All right, ample size TV. I'm guessing this is a lamp. Okay. Thank you for staying with us. I don't want to read all that, but this is a nice touch. Nice touch. Mirror, another mirror. Peace. Let's see, outside. Outside you have Wawa on your right, and I saw Waffle House right in the back. All right, and I guess behind it is the blackout curtains. Let's see. Other way. Now you have your AC unit, and then this is what you're all been waiting for. So the front desk gave me 2 beds. I availed for a king size bed, but I guess there are any more room with 1 king size bed. Okay, and 2. It's pretty high. It's pretty soft with 4 pillows each, and it's pretty soft. Some headboards, and yeah, let me give you the angle. And there you go. Popcorn ceilings, maybe popcorn wall as well. They have a tornado dryer here. I guess that's for the storms. Maybe the water gets in and they dry it. Okay, my final thoughts. First and foremost, if you're coming in about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning, just be prepared. You might not have any um, parking space left. Parking space is very limited, and it's surprising because it's being that it's Wednesday. Okay, um, parking was very limited. But anyway, if you was to book a hotel with this particular Holiday Inn, um, you are allowed to park in front of Wawa. Okay. Like I said before, behind me there's Waffle House, but I'm just not going to eat anything. I am just going to take a shower and go straight to bed because I have a meeting around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, so it's pretty secure. You cannot enter without a key card. I don't have the key card right now, and I don't want to get up to go show you the key card, but the receptionist gave me two key cards. Um, I'm located on the fifth floor, room 503. Overall, this hotel is nice, quiet. I noticed there's a pool um, right behind the building. I haven't tested out the Wi-Fi yet, um, but let me talk about the check-in process. Check-in process was a breeze, easy, quick. The receptionist requested my credit card for incidentals, um, but judging, you know, some of the stuff here, there's nothing really that you can break. I mean, other than the TV here, but I'm not even gonna watch TV. And it's also carpeted, by the way. So I don't know how often they shampoo the carpet. I'm really, really, really not a fan of carpets. More of like vinyl floors, wooden floors. I'm a fan of that. Um, Nothing. I have no gripe. I like this lamp. I'm gonna try to find one of these. This is pretty good. Um, but yeah, everything is okay. A-okay. I have no problems. The receptionist informed me that there is complimentary breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So I'm gonna take advantage of that. Um, 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 yeah, that's it. I'm ready to go to bed, but I'm gonna take a shower first because the flight was good. Um, the flight was good from JFK to Fort Lauderdale. It was good, no complaints. I actually had a seat um, empty in the middle, so the girl was sitting on the window. I'm glad she didn't have to, get up and use the bathroom. She just kept it to herself, and I just chilled, watched the movie called The Watchers. Um, a little quick review. The Watchers, I think, is good and is worth watching if you have no other movies to watch and you're boring or you're bored. Excuse me. It's pretty cool, interesting movie. So anyhow, you heard the AC turning on. That's my cue. I am signing off. I am so sleepy, and yeah, that's it, man. Catch me on the next one. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.